guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a little unboxing. I received this in the mail and I am so excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. The packaging is really nice. Here we go. Looks like this inside. Oh my gosh! Here it is. Oh, that is so nice. It comes with a case that zips up, so easy for storing. That is awesome. Get this box out of the way here. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. And it also unbuckles here, so as your baby grows, you can open this up and their feet can stick out. So that's pretty cool. And I can't get over the quality, you guys. It's amazing, the stitching and everything. I love it. They also sent me a deluxe spare cover, and it comes in a box like this. So the packaging is pretty cool. And it opens up to the marble cover. So that is awesome. So they sent me the Deluxe Plus Dock, which is 0 to 8 months, but they also have a Grand, which is 9 to 36 months. So that's pretty cool. So they have another great transition piece after this one. Oh, I can't wait to use this for baby. So here's how it looks like with the clear case, and it zips up here. Then it opens up, so it's really super nice. It's awesome, great for storing, keeping the dust out. Love it. Another close-up of the stitching. Just look at that detail. It's so beautiful. I love it. Big belly, big belly. He is getting so big. I can't believe that he's soon gonna be here. My baby boy. Here's a side view. And I'm currently going on 36 weeks. Thank you so much, DockATot. I love it and I cannot wait to use it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.